windows are in. This is moving pretty fast. Faster than our other builds. 2-car garage. 1-car garage. How are you, man?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. This is really cool. Now you have a picture of 2-story for your plumbing is happening. Good size island. Wow, this is happening. Pool is in. That's crazy. Got a huge lot. See all this land here, even with the pool. Tray ceiling. Slider. So this is that bonus room, office. So literally you can make this into a room if you really needed to. You put a closet on that side. It's pretty amazing. Oh, that's gonna be so cool. And the bedroom over here. Excited to see the second floor. Really wide stairs. This is crazy. So, bedroom in the back. Closet. Suite right there. They're putting in the electricity for the lighting. Huge loft. Another room over here. Ensuite. HVAC's in too. Wow, they're really moving on this. Look at this view. Laundry room. HVAC or closet over there. Another room over here. And then the primary. Oh, that was the primary bath. This is the primary. That was the primary closet. Primary room here. Huge. Look at that window that's going in here. No balcony on that house, which is really good. Primary closet. This is awesome. Wow. Soaking tub is going to be there. Vanity and vanity. That's very uniform.